Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort activity on the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have our channels, our conversations, direct messages, and our teammates and tips. Here, in the top right corner, next to the search bar, we find 3 parallel lines. If you tap on this, then we can just tap on sort, and in the sort section, we can select what we want to see, how we want to sort the activity. We can either sort it by sections or by recent activity, and we can set whether the hundreds and dimensions should be at the top or not. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.